tarot reader, tarot guide Shefali. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Tarot Reader Shefali in English. Friends, please remember this is a very new, brand new channel which I have started just for English speaking audience, because I realized that many people are following me on Instagram, as well as I'm getting appointments from them who are non-Indians, who are spread across the globe, and they also are seeking for some guidance. So I have been releasing my English videos, English version of the content on the same channel, but now I am segregating it just for the convenience of the subscribers. Okay, so do follow my English channel, share it with your friends and family so that they can also subscribe it and press that bell icon of YouTube channel to get the updates. So friends, in this video we are going to speak about August 2020 predictions. Without wasting too much of time, let's see what's in cards for you. Hi Cancerians, let's see what's in cards for you for August 2020. People who are born from 21st of June to 22nd of July are Cancerians. Let's see what's in cards for them. So we'll start with your energy oracle cards. Friends, we have man holding a heart energy surrounding you, which is a positive energy, beautiful energy of love that is surrounding you. Also we have family card in the chakra advice card, which is again telling you that there is a lot of love and pampering that you're going to get in your relationship segment, especially from the man of the family or man of your heart. So let's see what is the relationship card suggesting. We have Wheel of Fortune, which again is a very beautiful major arcana card, which suggests that the time for your relationship is going to change, and it is going to change positively for you. It is going to bring a lot of fun, love, happiness, caring, pampering, luxury lifestyle in your relationship. It is going to make your relationship lot more enriched, lot more balanced, lot more beautiful in the coming months. So very, very positive and a good card. Most probably there will be a man in your life who will be entering in your life if you are a single person, or if it could be you yourself as a man who is going to hold hard in front of somebody else. So you are going to meet up your love life, your lady love in the coming month, or you are going to be the lady love of some man in the coming month, and there will be proposal round the corner. There is a full possibility of this proposal getting converted into a marriage or a long-term commitment, as we can see the family card, which is a chakra advice card. So a lot of love and family and relationship energy over here. If you have been planning for a baby, yes, this is the right time. You might be blessed with one, or you might start preparing for it. You will get a success in that front. If you have been in a partnership, you might be expecting a proposal from your from the male in the partnership, from your partner in the partnership. If you are in a married life, there is a possibility that your husband might be surprising you with a lot of love and pampering coming your way in the coming month. If you are we talk about other relationships, then there could be a possibility that the male figure, or a senior male figure, or a male figure in the relationship is going to surprise you in some way. Now this male figure could be your son, it could be your father, it could be your friend, it could be your brother or your husband for that matter, or if vice versa. So basically there is a lot of happiness coming your way, a lot of love, a lot of pampering, a lot of luxury coming your way. But the message for you here is, don't take it for granted. Though there is abundance coming your way, you have to keep on working on the relationship and nurturing it. Don't be too lazy and feel, yeah, this is going to happen to me, so I deserve it, so it is happening to me, so I might as well stop caring for them. Don't do that. Keep caring, keep taking care of your relationship, nurturing them, and you will be able to build a very beautiful relationship ahead too. So overall, beautiful card in time in relationship. Coming to your career, we can see 7 of Swords upright, which says that somebody is little worried about their career in the current scenario. What I can see is either you are going to trick somebody, or somebody is going to trick you with regards to stealing your credit at work. So they might be, if it is in a job environment, there is a possibility that somebody is going to steal your credit at your project, in your work, or somebody is trying to play around with your credibility, with your goodwill. Somebody is trying to badmouth you, or trying to bully you in a certain way at your job and in your job environment. However, you will still be able to sustain, but it is going to stress you a lot. So here you have to use your maturity, your right as well as left brain. So don't just get emotional about it, just use your practical thinking also to balance this out. Try to not react, try to absorb this thing in a very subtle and a positive way, because right now sustenance is important. Once you sustain, you will be able to fight back. There is also a possibility that you might be asked to leave. So this is a very meek possibility, very small possibility, but there could be a possibility for some people that they will be asked to either take a break. It could be a paid leave, or it could be a half paid leave, or something which is detaching them from their work for some period. It could be a situation like that. In case of a business situation, this could be a situation where somebody is asking you to somebody is trying to trap you in a business segment, either your vendor, your customer, or somebody who is trying to act little smart, or you are trying to act smart with the system. But don't do that in that case, if at all this is you, because it can really cost you bad. So just take care, use your practicality, maturity, and your emotional as well as your practical sense to plan your way through this time, because it is a little trap led, politically trap led time for you. Coming to people who are studying, now they are trying to cheat around with their responsibilities or decision making. Here advice is don't cheat, because it is going to hit back if you cheat. Just use your maturity and right sense to guide you through. You will get the guidance from within, whether it is in business sense, whether it is in work sense, whether it is in job sense or career sense. Okay, so just be wise enough to understand your messages. Coming to your financial card, we can see Queen of Pentacles reverse. So somewhere a lady is going to drain your finances, I can say. I don't see abundance here. Some wrong decisions leading you into losses, especially that long decision is led by the lady. So it could be you yourself, or some lady who has guided you, may not be with the wrong intent, but it is because of her that you have taken certain financial decision leading to the losses. So over here the message for you is Creator, trust on God and things will shape up. So maybe it is not a good time, so don't of course plan for future investment right now in the coming month, and also don't divest anything. Hold on, the hold on is the message for you. Wait for the right moment to take next action. Coming to your health card, maybe you have suffered a lot in terms of your health. You have gone through maybe a lot of health treatment, or a lot of weakness you're going through, a lot of lack of energy, a lot of or maybe just you have come out of some treatment, some health issue, but you have survived, but you are not in the best of the stage of your health. So you will have to slow down a bit. You have stressed yourself a lot. You need to slow down a bit to manage your health well. Take care of your health, slow down in your regime so that you can take care of your health, because you need a healing period to heal yourself. Family is a chakra advice card, so this is going to be a family oriented, family led time for you, and it is going to be a very beautiful pampering time at family front. Coming to your summary card, we have Magician card in the reverse, which is saying that there is some change, some drastic transformation which is coming your way, which has come your way, but you are not able to cope up with it, because of which whatever good things were possible due to that change, though it was a tough and a drastic change, you are resisting that change. So let that change flow through your system subtly. Be prepared for that flow, be prepared for that change. Automatically you will know that there will be really different and unexpected positive possibilities of growth and success which will open up for you in future. So be prepared to take the change in the right format and to manifest things magically for you, to make things happen for you by your intuition, by your law of attraction, and by your karmic gestures. So I really hope this reading helped you guys, Cancerians. A very good luck. Friends, I really hope that you have gone through the reading and you have got some help, some guidance out of it. If you have got the guidance, you're free to share your point of views with me on the comment section and share your thoughts, share some improvisation thoughts. If you have some point of views to share, you can suggest me the topics which you want me to cover in the pick a card readings, and otherwise also share my videos, like and share my videos with your friends and family. So by sharing, I not only mean sharing this video on your Facebook page, but also in your Facebook groups, on your WhatsApp groups, so that more and more people can connect with it and get the guidance from it and populate it further, so that we can help them through the general reading on our YouTube channel over here. So it is a community effort to promote this channel so that they get help from the general readings. Okay, so another thing I wanted to tell you was, if you're looking for a personal reading, you can anytime connect with me on my mobile number or on my email ID. I'm very active on Instagram and Facebook page, as well as on WhatsApp group. So do message me on these platforms. I will ensure that I revert you at the earliest. Okay, so don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook page. I have also launched a Facebook group called the Soul Chakra Tarot. Don't forget to follow that group or be a part of that group if you are a spiritual seeker, because there we are going to read and discuss and share each other's thoughts about spiritual enhancement and the soul journey, how to connect with your inner soul and all that kind of topics across the globe. So it's not just that we are going to speak about Hinduism or Christianity, but we are going to speak about all the possible religions or customs. Basically, we are going to speak how different sect of people are trying to access their spiritual self through the soulful journey and their methods with regards to same. So I really hope that you get some benefit out of that group also. So we are growing together. It's a very new group. Would look forward to your membership. I would like to invite you all there, whoever is a spiritual seeker. Very good luck to all of you. I hope this video helps you, and a very big thank you to all the subscribers who are already part of my channel.